Art can improve managerial skills thanks to the evolution of the grammar of art, of the art language. Artists in the last decades experimented a lot the inclusion of the public in their work. And this happened because they started questioning the role of authenticity in our lives. And this is why contemporary art now talk about relational aesthetics. Some artists produce their work by including groups of people and community in the processes of production. And it seems like if they are answering some needs from management, like motivating a team, like introducing innovative system to react to a problem, like stimulating concentration, stimulating a sense of belonging and proactivity.